Have you ever dreamed of visiting Canada, the land of stunning mountains, vibrant cities, and friendly people, but thought it was too expensive? Well, what if I told you there are ways to travel to Canada for free, or at least very close to it? Stick with me as I break down real, practical strategies to make this dream a reality without breaking the bank. Number 1. Introduction to traveling to Canada for free. Now, when I say travel for free, I don't mean magically teleporting without spending a dime. What I mean is minimizing costs using creative strategic-finding ways to get flights, accommodations, transportation, and even food for little to no money. It takes planning, effort, and resourcefulness, but trust me, it's possible. Let's get into it. Number 2. Research and planning. Before you even start packing, you need a plan. Ask yourself, why are you going to Canada? Are you going for tourism, study, work, volunteering, or adventure? Each goal opens up different cost-saving opportunities. Best time to travel. Avoid peak seasons like summer and holidays. The best off-peak months are March to May and September to November, when flights and accommodations are cheaper. Visa requirements. Check if you need a visa on Canada's official immigration website. Some countries qualify for an electronic travel authorization (ETA), which is faster and cheaper than a full visa. Number 3. Free or low-cost flights. Frequent flyer programs. One of the best ways to get a free flight to Canada is by taking advantage of frequent flyer programs. Airlines like Air Canada, WestJet, and major global carriers offer rewards programs where you earn miles every time you fly. But what if you don't fly often? Here is the trick. Sign up for these programs early and accumulate miles through partner promotions, shopping portals, and dining programs. Use airline-branded credit cards that offer sign-up bonuses, sometimes enough for a one-way or even round-trip flight to Canada. Transfer credit card points from programs like American Express membership rewards or Chase Ultimate rewards to airline partners. Many programs allow you to buy miles at a discount during promotions, and it is making flights cheaper than buying tickets outright. Travel hacking with credit cards. Travel hacking is a legitimate way to score free flights. Many credit cards offer massive travel bonuses if you meet a spending requirement in the first few months. Some tips. Look for credit cards that offer 50,000 plus miles as a sign-up bonus. Use the card for everyday purchases and pay it off in full to avoid interest. Combine multiple credit card bonuses with family pooling options to book flights for multiple people. Airfares and flight deals. Sometimes airlines accidentally post flight prices much lower than intended. Websites like Secret Flying, Scott's Cheap Flights, and Google Flights track these deals. To increase your chances, set up price alerts for flights to Canada. Be flexible with your dates and departure city times. The cheapest flights depart from unexpected locations. If you see a mistake fare, book IT immediately. Airlines often honor these prices if you book before they correct the error. Contests and giveaways. Many travel influencers, brands, and airlines give away free tickets to Canada through contests. You just have to stay active and participate. Follow airlines and travel bloggers on social media. Join email lists of travel brands that frequently hold sweepstakes. Look out for tourism board giveaways, which sometimes sponsor trips to promote their destinations. Flying standby. Flying standby used to be common for airline employees, but some airlines still offer standby tickets for travelers. Some carriers offer last-minute seats at discounted rates. If you have flexibility, showing up at the airport and asking for available seats can sometimes get you free or ultra-cheap flights. Some programs allow travelers to volunteer for an overbooked flight in exchange for free tickets to future destinations. Number 4. Free accommodation. Couchsurfing. This is one of the easiest ways to stay in Canada for free. Couchsurfing is a platform where locals offer a free place to sleep to travelers. Here is how to make it work. Create a strong profile with reviews. This builds trust. Be a great guest. Offer to help with chores or bring a small gift from your home country. Be social. Your host might even show you around for free. House sitting. This is an incredible way to stay in luxurious homes for free. Websites like Trusted House Sisters and HouseGarers connect homeowners with responsible travelers who watch their houses and pets while they're away. Some house sits last weeks or even months, perfect for long-term travel. Unlike couchsurfing, you'll usually have an entire home to yourself. Work exchange programs, platforms like Workaway, WWOF worldwide opportunities on organic farms, and helps allow travelers to work a few hours a day in exchange for free accommodation and sometimes even meals. Jobs include helping on farms, teaching English, babysitting, or working in hostels. It's a great way to meet locals and travelers while cutting costs to zero. Camping. If you love the outdoors, Canada has hundreds of free or very cheap campsites. Use apps like iOverlander and Free Campsites Net to find free spots. Some national parks allow backcountry camping for free. Just be sure to follow local regulations. Number 5. Free transportation within Canada. Hitchhiking. Canada is one of the safest countries for hitchhiking. Stick to well-traveled routes and always trust your instincts. Ride-sharing. Apps like Poparide or Kangaride connect travelers with drivers, heading the same way for a fraction of the cost of a bus or train. Biking and walking. Many cities like Montreal and Vancouver are bike-friendly, making it an eco-friendly and free way to explore. Public transit hacks. Some cities offer free transit zones. For example, Calgary's downtown C-Train is free to ride. Number 6. Free activities and attractions. National parks. Canada offers free entry on certain days, like Canada Day July 1st. Free walking tour. Many cities like Toronto and Vancouver have tip-based walking tour. Free museum days. The Art Gallery of Ontario and Montreal Museum of Fine Arts offer free entry on select days. Festivals and events. Cities across Canada host free concerts, cultural festivals, and outdoor events year-round. Number 7. Free food and dining. Food sampling. Markets like Granville Island, Vancouver, and St. Lawrence Market, Toronto offer free food tastings. Community meals. Some churches and charities offer free meals for travelers and locals alike. Foraging. In the right seasons, you can find wild berries and herbs in Canada's forests. Just research what's safe. Work for food. Some hostels and organic farms exchange meals for a little work. Number 8. Volunteering and work opportunities. Volunteer programs. Some organizations cover travel and accommodation for volunteers, such as WWOF organic farming programs. Working holiday visa. If you're between 18 to 35 years old, Canada offers a working holiday visa, allowing you to work while traveling. Seasonal jobs. Farms and ski resorts hire short-term workers and offer free accommodation. Number 9. Budgeting and saving tips. Travel insurance. Never travel without insurance. The good news, some credit cards offer free travel insurance if you book your trip with them. Always compare plan. Sites like World Nomads and Safety Wing offer budget-friendly options. Some travel programs cover insurance if you're volunteering or studying abroad. Packing smart. Avoid costly fees by packing light. Airlines charge for extra baggage, so use a carry-on whenever possible. Bring reusable items like a water bottle to avoid buying drinks. Currency exchange hacks. Exchange rates vary widely, and you can lose money if you're not careful. Use apps like Wise or Revolut for better exchange rates. Avoid exchanging cash at airports. They have the worst rates. Use credit cards with no foreign transaction fees. Emergency fund. Even if you're traveling for free, unexpected expenses happen. Keep at least $100 hidden for emergencies. Have a backup plan in case you need last-minute transportation. So there you have it. Traveling to Canada doesn't have to be expensive. You just need to be resourceful and plan smartly. From free flights and accommodation to free food and attractions, there are countless ways to explore Canada without draining your wallet. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a Canada adventure. See you in the next one.